Well, this is the next job. I got here a little early this morning so I could get here and shoot a video. But this is how it starts. We got the foundation there with the rods in it. And we got our cubes of block sitting out here. So this wall goes all the way around here. Right around here. All the way around this way. Still a little dark out here. All the way around here. It's kind of tight in here because there's a house on this side and there's a house on that side. So it's kind of tight. But we'll make do. Anyway. Yeah, you probably get water from one of the neighbors. Everything is here. The sand is here. The mortar is here. And I guess this is the front door. This little pad right here. That's the garage over there. And there's a car. Porta-John right there. And the question is, where am I gonna park? Every spot that I could possibly park a car has a house in front of it or somebody's driveway. So I gotta figure it out. So we'll see. Anyway, see you next upload.